Hello, this is Ripon from WPT Mart once again, and today's episode is very special because we are about to learn a very special things of Redux option framework. So here's you can see three same field here: the office address, then working hours, then the contact us button. Here we are having an icon, then title, then a descriptions. These fields is almost same, nothing is changed. Only here we are having mail and number. We will convert it into as a same text, or we can convert it into like this also. So how we can do dynamic this part with the Redux option framework? So we will check it today. So for making this field, like we need to make a lot of field for icon, then title, then a description. What if we can make it like a repeater field? Then in that repeater field we will add new field each time, then it will be added like this. So we'll make a only one field and we'll make that repeater, so that could that so that it could be handled easily. So for that, Redux is having a awesome options that is called slides. And you can see it here, and it is made like this. You can upload your images, then you can make title, descriptions, and the URL options also. And there are a lot of lot of field also: image, then thumb, then you are having attachment ID, then you can set the height, then you can set the width also. This is the placeholder values, and the argument is there. So we'll check it today now, how we can dynamic this part with the repetition fields. So for that, I will make here a new part, like a footer part. Then inside that footer I will dynamic this like footer info. Okay, so I will try to cover that with the options, or we can duplicate this one now. So we can copy it and paste it here. I will not make any subsections here, so it will be like this. So it will be footer, and then take biz, I'll make it footer. Then subsection, I don't want the subsections, this one. And the fields, in this fields area, what I need to do is I'll go here, and this array I'll copy this array, and instead of this array I'll just paste it here, and I will remove this from here, and then some arrangement a bit. Here's a comma is missing, and the text domain I need to change it to TechBiz. So control S will come with here TechBiz, and I will replace it. And the ID, this will be footer info. Okay, and the type will be slides. So, and the title will be slides options, that good unlimited slides and drag and drop and sorting, and description is the same. Now in the placeholder options, what I need title, description, and the URL. So if I check it like this, this is the title, description part, and the URL that I need to insert, and there is another field icon, we'll check it later now, with the image options. So if I go here and give a refresh now, then I will see the footer part, and in the footer part you will see this new slides, and you can open this one here. So the image options is already there, the upload button, and this is title, this is description, and give us a link here, that is also there. So title, description, and link option are there also. We are having another options for the image that we can set it up. So instead of icon we will use image, so that this field can work perfectly. So now we have set up the options here. Now I need to go to our footer, and in the footer you will see these things are common here, these three part. So this one is common here. That means it's a repeated field. So I will remove all the two. I will remove the two and I will keep the first one. And in here, I need to first globalize the Redux options framework. So I'll just copy this one. I'll copy this here now that we are already having. So I'll just paste it. It's the code, and in here TechBiz footer info. Okay, TechBiz FOOTER footer INFO. TechBiz footer info, and then TechBiz OPT, then the ID name. So I'll remove it. Then the ID name is footer info. Okay. Now if I just var dump to check what is the output there. So if I var dump to check the variables data, let me check now. Let me check now. I will insert some content here now. So the content will be the real one that I want to give there. So this office addresses will be the title, and the description will be as per this will be the description, and the URL that I want to give hash right now. So I will click on save changes. Then if I give a refresh here now, then we will see call to a different function. The pronunciation is wrong here, so I have written VA. So if I give a refresh now, then you will see an array. Then inside that array there is another array. So it's a multi-dimensional array. Okay. So for extract this array, I need to run a loop that is called for each loop. So I'll run that here. So for yes for each this footer info as key, then the value. So I will set it like this, and it need to be end here. So PHP, I can end with the curly braces. And if I want to check the value here, so if I echo the value, echo value, echo value, then if I check it now, let's see what happened. Array to string conversion. So this value is not the right to do. Okay, so in this value there is array. So in the array I need to put the title here, if you understand it. So if I go here and give a refresh now, you will see the office address text. If I just remove the first var dump, then if I give a refresh, then you will see the office address text. So I have run the for each loop, and inside the value we are having another key. The key is title, the key is description, the key is URL. Okay, and in this title part in here I need to write PHP echo title. Okay, so I will copy it, then in here I will write PHP ECA, so echo that title. So the title will be here, and for the descriptions I need to do the same thing here as well. If I copy it and I need to paste it here, and the title that value should be replaces with the description that we are having here. So it will be description, and if I give a refresh now, then you will see the office address and the text here. If I now change it from here office address for Ripon and click on save changes, then if I give a refresh, then you will see the changes here. I want to replace this I with the image, so I can replace if I click on the upload, then some image will come, then I can select, and this image will be work for as icon in here as you can see. So I will replace this here with like img tag, img img src is equal, then I just need to remove this I variables from here, and src will be, if I copy it and paste, I need to write the PHP value, so copy it and paste it here, and the URL's value will be image. Let's see if it's work or not now. img image. So if I go here and give a refresh now, then you can see the TechBiz icon is coming here. Now I need to upload a icon for this. Now to check if there is any icon available. Maybe not. So you understand that if you want to give any image here, then you need to upload here, and that one will be available in here also, like this. Now this is one, but I need the other two as well. There was two more fields here now. So for that I will just remove this title here, and what I need to do is I will just duplicate it, or I can click on add new add slide. So if I add slide, then I will get the options to upload the title also. So I will write my location, then I will write Dhaka, comma Bangladesh, and I will not give any links now, and I will click on save changes. And if I give a refresh now here, then you will see the magic. Because I haven't uploaded any image here, I will select the logo here also and click on save button, and if I give a refresh, then you will see that image also. So as you can see here, the title is here, the description is here, and again the other title that we want, the other info, that is also here, and you can increase it as you want now. So you can add another slides, and you can make here office time another one, and you can give some description, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. And the link, it can be hash or whatever you want to set. So you will click on save changes, and if I give a refresh now, our 3 repetitive field is here. So boom, we have successfully made that sections also. So suppose you are having a social info things at the footer, so you can use this repeatable this slides field, not actually the repetition, it's the slides loop in the Redux framework. So by this way you can dynamic this part as you want. So if you have any question through this slides feature of the Redux option, please comment below. I'll try to answer that. Thank you very much. See you in our next episode.